What's the meaning of chilliness? Chilliness. Chilliness.
Chilliness. Chilliness. Chilliness refers to the sensation of feeling cold or experiencing a drop in body temperature. It can be caused by a number of factors, including exposure to cold temperatures, illness, or emotional states such as fear or anxiety. Symptoms can include shivering, goosebumps, and a feeling of numbness or tingling in the extremities. In severe cases, hypothermia can occur, which can be life-threatening. Treatment typically involves warming the affected person, either through the use of blankets, warm beverages, or other methods, depending on the severity of the chilliness.